The first trim of the season, I got my Husqvarna 128 LD out from winter storage, went to start it, and there was nothing there. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what's wrong with this, how to fix it, and how to get this thing running again for the year. So basically, the problem was I took this cover off here, which you have 3 T25 screws holding that back cover on, which are right here. You take those out, and behind there, you have this thing. And you also have this thing, which is called your starter pawl. This is supposed to have 2 plastic pieces. I'll show you on the new one. This is supposed to have 2 plastic pieces like this right here. And you could see that one was missing. It's a little bit tore up here. There's supposed to be a clip on the back that holds it in. It was missing. So I was missing one. This one wasn't installed either. It fell out. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this here today, show you guys how to do that to get this thing running again. So now basically, to take this nut off of here, if you put a socket on there and try to spin it, your engine's going to turn over. So what you want to do is you want to pop your spark plug boot off here and take your spark plug out with a 3/4 inch socket. Once you get that out of there, you want to take some rope. This is just some extra pull cord that I had laying around. You want to stick a screwdriver in the spark plug hole and turn this until the piston gets all the way to the bottom. Once it's at the bottom, you want to take your string and put it in your hole to pretty much fill up that hole, so that when you take that nut out, your piston stops the engine from turning over, because it jams up against this cord that's in your cylinder. So let me go ahead and get that down into there. All right guys, so now that I got my cord installed in there, you'll see that when you try to turn this, you can't turn it now. So now you want to take a 10mm socket and go ahead and take this off here, right here. Alright guys, so I got the old one unscrewed, and all you got to do basically is to screw the new one right back on. Gonna go ahead and put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads, and then go ahead and screw the new one back on. And I'll put a link in the description below to this part for the Husqvarna 128 LD, and also some tools that you guys need for changing this. If you guys haven't seen my channel yet, please consider subscribing, and please check out some of my other videos. All right, got it back on, just snug it up a little bit. Then you can go ahead and take your cord back out of your cylinder there. Now you can see it'll turn over freely again. Basically just reinstall your plug, the boot back on. Then you want to put this cover back on. Now you guys can see there is resistance. It should start. Perfect. So thanks for watching guys. That's how to quickly and easily fix your pull start weed whacker that's not pull starting. And if you guys haven't seen some of my other videos, please make sure you guys check them out. If you like this one, please hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing and hit that bell next to it so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one.